Hi friends, welcome to Dada's Kitchen. I am back with another recipe from Malaysia this time called Sambal Kangkong Belacan. Kangkong is a water spinach from Malaysia and Belacan is the shrimp paste that goes well with rice. You may use a local spinach and shrimp paste to replace the Malaysian ones. Let's look at the ingredients. We will need some kangkong, which is water spinach, 2 medium-sized onion, some green and red chilies, some garlic cloves, and some dry shrimps. You may add salt and sugar as per your taste. So friends, before we blend the sambal, we need to take some dry shrimp, keep it in a lukewarm water for 10 minutes. This will ensure that all the dirty particles are taken care of, and we need to keep it aside before the blending. So friends, now that we have all the ingredients required, we need to now blend it coarsely. I have also taken some kangkong, which is the water spinach, and I have cleaned it well. What I am doing now is cutting the spinach into 3 pieces, making sure that I have the stems and the leaves for this particular recipe. So friends, now that my sambal has been blended, we need to saute it in a frying pan. I have taken a pan, added some oil, and first I am heating up the belacan, which is nothing but a shrimp paste available in any of the supermarkets. You need to heat this belacan in an oil and mix it well so that it goes into the oil, and that's the real taste of this particular recipe. You will find the recipe a little bit salty, but that depends on your taste buds. So make sure when you're adding salt, you do take a note of this point. So friends, once you notice that your belacan has mixed well in the oil and you get a pungent smell in the room, that's the point where you need to add back your coarsely blended sambal back into the pan and fry it for the next 10 minutes till you see that oil has been released from the sambal. So friends, keep moving the sambal and also add 1 tablespoon of salt as well as 1 tablespoon of sugar as per your taste buds. So friends, when you notice that your sambal is releasing oil, that's the time to add back your kangkong. Try adding the stems initially and saute it well, because that will take some more time. Once you find that your stems have been cooked well, then you can add back the remaining leaves and cook it for 10 minutes in a low to medium flame. So friends, Kangkong Belacan is a very popular and a well-loved dish in Malaysia. This is quite simple and a tasty stir-fry hit of all right notes. It's a spicy and crunchy with lots of umami flavor. You may add 2 to 3 spoons of water to ensure that your kangkong is mixed well and it gets some water to cook. So friends, kangkong is a Malay word for water spinach. It is a tropical semi-aquatic plant known as a leaf vegetable found in the parts of Asia and Southeast Asia. We love this recipe and my daughter likes it a lot. It was based on her expectations. We have made this and it turned out awesome. We hope you liked our video today and learned something new, and we are trying very hard to make sure that we keep getting stuff that we would like to learn and understand. Thank you. watching. Have a lovely day.